Biophilic Durham, Urban Nature Unfolded. Welcome to Durham, North Carolina, a city embracing the future of sustainable urban living through biophilic design. Challenges in urban design. Urban areas face significant challenges in integrating outdoor and indoor spaces, often restricted by limited space in the urban fabric of a city. Let's take a look at Durham's natural streetscape. Let's see can we identify any biophilic elements as we begin to walk and transition through the space. Investigative insight. Our investigations reveal that such integrations not only boost aesthetics but also promote health and well-being, reducing stress and enhancing air quality. Design strategies. To seamlessly integrate nature with urban living, Durham employs several key strategies. First, the use of native plants and landscaping not only supports local diversity but also requires less watering and maintenance. Impact of biophilic design. The impact of biophilic design in Durham reaches far beyond aesthetic enhancement. It fundamentally improves the urban environment, boosting mental health by reducing stress and enhancing mood. Moreover, the integration of nature into everyday spaces contributes to the physical well being, encouraging lifestyles and closer community ties. These spaces also play a crucial role in ecological sustainability, helping to manage stormwater and improve air quality. Call to action. Imagine a city where nature lives right alongside us. Help us grow this vision, engaging with, enjoying, advocating for more biophilic design in local areas. Durham is a great example of biophilic design and how the city not only grows with an environment, but how the community grows with the city.